How to fix PS4 Error CE-38702-0. Here are some tips that would help you fix PS4 Error CE-38702-0. 1. Restart your router, if any. 2. Save your game, restart your PS4. 3. Contact your internet service provider and check the status of your internet connection. 4. Back up your router settings. Reset your router. Now, select Settings Network Setup Internet Connection on your PlayStation 4 to connect to your newly configured router again. Hint, for details, refer to the instructions supplied with the router. 5. Update the router firmware to the latest version. 6. Select Settings Network. Launch the test internet connection to recheck your internet connection status. 7. Check PSN status at PlayStation.com and try again later. 8. Make sure your network devices firewall and /or system security measure, S. Do not block the following port numbers: TCP, 80, 443, 3478, 3479, 3480 and UDP, 3478, 3479. Hint, Google Router Port Forwarding. 9. If you cannot connect to a service/app outside PlayStation Trademark Network, check the status of that service, such as COD server status.